Construct a geometric plot of a hexagon of side 6 cm based on triangles, squares and lines. This means you have to make a geometrical design inside a hexagon. So first of all, we will construct a hexagon, and after constructing a hexagon we have to prepare a design inside it, which should be made only by combining triangles, squares and lines. Okay, so let's construct our hexagon. 6 centimeters. So this is our circle, 6 centimeters. Now put your scale straight from the center and mark this point a little. Now from this point draw 6 centimeter arcs. Make sure these arcs are not too big. Okay, now join all these intersecting points to get the required hexagon. Okay, so our hexagon is ready. Now we will start with the design. So first of all, draw all the diagonals. Now take a point like this distance should be approximately equal to this distance. So take that type of point. Now we are making another hexagon inside it like this. Now we will make squares like this. This is one side, second side, third side and fourth side. Put your scale like this, joining this and this point. Now draw a line here, another one here, similarly on the side. Now you can draw lines here. Like this. Now you can draw some lines here to make it more beautiful. This is it. So we have completed our design. Inside a hexagon we have used triangles, some lines, squares. That's it. If your question includes the circles, then you can draw a circle here in place of this hexagon in the center and add some circles inside these squares to make the design look more beautiful. And you can make necessary changes according to your likings. So this is not a fixed design that you have to make in your exam. You can make this design or this one or this one or this one. You can make this design if the question mentions a geometrical plot or a geometrical design inside a hexagon or a semicircle. You should carefully keep in mind all the measurements given in the question and also the instructions given in the question, about which shapes are allowed. According to those instructions, you can create the geometrical design in the same way using only the permitted shapes.